Hi everyone, my name is Richard McDowell and I'm the founder and CEO of Wildbank Boom. And today is day 10 of my journey into building an AI platform. And after working on the prototype a little bit today for my platform, I've been doing a little bit of reflecting and on my journey so far. And when I started this journey, I wanted these videos to be really slick and to follow on and everything to run perfectly and one video to follow on from the next and for them to be real progress. I wanted it to be authentic, but I definitely wanted everything to be slick. And a few times now I've had to make slight adjustments, or I've not had to do, but I've taken on board people's feedback and made slight adjustments to the way that I'm doing things. But my worry was that um the the project or me not appearing to be professional and doing things in a professional way. And then I thought to myself, well, taking on feedback and implementing and thinking about that feedback and then implementing it into my project from experts within those domains. So people that have had input from people that are experts with startups and bringing startups to ideas to market. And so it would be foolish for me to ignore those comments. And so, yeah, I mean, if my journey and the recording of my journey in these videos is going to be authentic, then I've got to tell it as it is, um, for the good things and the bad things. And if that means that some days I've got to pivot, or some days like recently, I'd not done a pitch deck or an elevator pitch. I didn't even know what those were. It's better for me to be honest, and because there'll be other people I'm thinking that are of potential entrepreneurs that also don't know that they've got to do a pitch deck. And people might be saying, "Well, you're a dumbass because everybody knows that," but I definitely didn't know that. But I'm definitely going to do an elevator pitch, and I'm definitely going to do a pitch deck, and it's going to be awesome. But I'm not going to let those things to stop where I am on my journey, because the next part of my journey is I'm working on the prototype, and I'm back to that next. But for sure I need to sooner rather than later, and in the next few days, start to see what an elevator pitch will look like and start to put my elevator pitch together for sure. But yeah, I'm hoping my journey seems professional, and hopefully soon it's going to get a little bit more exciting as well, because I'll have a prototype to show as well, which is really exciting. Okay, back to the prototype. Full power, baby.